Higgsfield isn't yet a widely standardized mainstream ecosystem like OpenAI, Google, or Microsoft AI stacks. In most contexts where people mention it, they're talking about a conceptual or emerging unified AI workspace, a place where multiple generative AI tools are integrated into one workflow. So instead of treating Higgsfield as a single tool, it's more useful to think of it as a hub for generative AI capabilities. Here's how to approach using it effectively. 1. The core idea behind Higgsfield. Higgsfield represents a shift from single AI tools to AI orchestration. Instead of using ChatGPT for text, Midjourney for images, Runway for video, 11 Labs for voice, you operate inside one environment where all of these are connected and composable. The key advantage is workflow continuity. Output from one model becomes input for another. Everything is modular but integrated. 2. Main generative AI capabilities you can use. A. Text generation, LLMs. This is your foundation layer. Use cases, course creation, perfect for your Udemy goals, YouTube scripts, business documentation, dialogue simulations for ESL learners, advanced usage, chain prompts, generate, refine, localize, e.g. English, simple English, hiragana-supported Japanese explanations. B. Image generation. Typical models integrated, diffusion-based generators, e.g. stable diffusion-like systems. Use cases, thumbnails for YouTube visual vocabulary cards, ideal for your ESL audience, marketing assets for courses. Key insight, don't just generate images, generate sets with variation, style, lighting, context, to test engagement. C. Video generation. This is where platforms like Higgsfield become powerful. Capabilities, text, video image, animation scene generation. Use cases, short-form English lessons, TikTok, YouTube shorts, role-play scenarios, airport, hospital, business meetings, visual storytelling for low-level learners. D. Voice and audio generation includes text-to-speech, TTS, voice cloning, multilingual dubbing. Use cases, listening practice materials, natural conversation modeling, accent training, critical for TOEIC-style learners. Advanced move, generate multiple accents, US, UK, neutral international, for listening drills. AI agents, workflow automation. This is the most important layer. Instead of one-off prompts, you create multi-step pipelines, autonomous agents. Example workflow, generate lesson topic, create vocabulary list, write dialogue, convert to audio, generate images, package into lesson format. This is where Higgsfield type systems outperform standalone tools. F. Data plus personalization layer. Some environments allow memory of user preferences, dataset integration, custom fine-tuning. For you, this could mean tailoring lessons to Japanese learners, automatically simplifying English to CEFR, A1, B1, adding hiragana support consistently. 3. Practical workflow for your use case. Given your focus, YouTube plus Udemy plus ESL learners, here's a high-leverage system. Step 1, topic engine. Generate top 50 situations Japanese learners struggle with. Step 2, lesson builder. Automatically create vocabulary, example sentences, dialogue practice questions. Step 3, media layer. Generate images for each vocabulary item, create short video clips for context, produce audio narration. Step 4, distribution long form, Udemy short form, YouTube shorts clips, social media. 4, strategic advantage of Higgsfield type systems. The real power is not the tools, it's integration. Most people use AI tools individually, waste time switching contexts. Advanced users build repeatable pipelines, scale content production, maintain consistency across formats. 5. Limitations to be aware of. Be realistic here. Not all tools are equally mature. Output quality varies between models. Video generation is still improving. Integration can be technically messy depending on the platform. So the smart approach is start simple, text plus audio, gradually layer complexity, image, video, automation. Bottom line, higgsfield isn't valuable because of any single feature. It's valuable because it represents a unified system where generative AI tools become a production pipeline, not isolated tools.